It is Tuesday, August 21st, 2018. Thank you all for tuning into the Sneedmobiletech YouTube channel. What I want to do with today's video is talk a little bit about smartphone hardware as it pertains to smartphones that will actually be 5G compatible in the near future. But before I get into the contents of the video, I just wanted to make everybody aware that the live streams for the Sneedmobiletech YouTube channel, which take place on Fridays in the evening between 8 and 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, they will be moving from the Sneedmobiletech channel over to the Sneedmobiletech live stream channel. The channel is connected to this channel, but it is separate. It'll be utilized strictly for live streams, podcasts, and Patreon exclusive unlisted videos. So if you'd like to tune into the live streams, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll put a link in the description below. Ding the bell to be notified whenever live streams are about to take place. Also, if you would like to visit the Patreon channel and see what's going on that side, the link is in the description as well. You get access with some monetary support, get access to videos that are exclusive to Patreon and don't make their way to the Sneedmobiletech YouTube channel, so link in the description below. And also, if you'd like to make a monetary donation of any amount to the Sneedmobiletech channel, all considerations are greatly appreciated. The link is in the description as well. So let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So 5G Android smartphones and Android phones, as well as Apple phones alike, will not be commonplace with 5G, probably not for a few more years. We're not expecting 5G phones to be very common until probably 2021. This also applies to routers, modems, receivers, transmitters, all the alike. So what we're expecting for 2019 is possibly about 1 million 5G devices that are active and working in 2019. Now, hotspots are going to be doing most of the heavy lifting. They'll be key instrumental parts for 5G development early on. And we're not expecting smartphones to be truly commonplace until 2021, 2022. Even through those years, we're still going to require a huge reliance for 4G LTE. It's going to be the main anchor for our smartphone networks until further notice. Now, battery life is going to be an issue with 5G smartphones. We saw how bad they were with 4G LTE smartphones in the early years. And really, the only devices we know as of now that are going to support any type of battery support with 5G is going to be the Moto Mod attachment that will be found on the Moto Z line, Moto Z3 specifically, and that'll be exclusive to Verizon. It's going to have a 2,000 milliamp hour battery built into the mod. So in other news, I think the problem right now at this point is we just don't have the processors to push these 5G antennas. So the Qualcomm made Snapdragon 855, which was expected to be 5G ready very early in half of 2019, is probably not going to contain the Qualcomm made Snapdragon X50 modem, which is supposed to support 5G connectivity. The newest reports say that Qualcomm and its engineers are refuting that the 855 will have that modem, and the reason for that is the X50 modem utilizes a totally different process than the Snapdragon 855, so they're going to be incompatible. They actually can't work together. So this could mean that we see a Snapdragon 855 early in the year and possibly a Snapdragon 865 later in the year that has the X50 modem. Or it's possible there could be a completely different configuration that makes the Snapdragon 855 5G compatible and it's not the X50 modem. All we know is that the code name for the Fusion chip that is going to support 5G is called Hercules. It's going to support category 20 speeds, which makes it really, really fast. So we'll just have to see what we get in terms of hardware for next year. We just don't have a lot of details right now. Now, the unfortunate thing is the Samsung Galaxy S10, which was rumored to be 5G ready, probably will not be 5G compatible. So it is expected at the end of Q1 2019. We usually see it in March. And it is going to have the Snapdragon 855, but it looks probable that it's not going to have 5G compatibility. So as of right now, all we really know is that Sprint has an LG-made 5G device in the works for half one of 2019. We don't know if it's going to be a Snapdragon 855 or an 865 pushing that device. We do know that the Moto Mod's 5G ready Moto Mod for the Moto Z3, and that's going to be a Verizon exclusive. So if you don't have Verizon, you're not going to be able to use that. And we don't know if that mod's going to cost $200 or $300 or whatever, but it could be expensive. And we don't even know when Verizon is going to offer true mobile 5G. So I think what this video serves as is a painful reminder to pump the brakes on 5G. I think myself, as well as other YouTubers and people in the comments, we're all excited about 5G, but we simply just have to slow our roll. We have to check the hype at the door because the technology just simply is not ready. Manufacturers aren't ready to make it, and the networks aren't ready to push the hardware. So let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on any of the topics I covered in this video. I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions, so drop me a line in the comment section below. Again, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. A lot of great content up and coming. Ding the bell to be notified whenever I upload new content. Remember the live streams over at Sneedmobiletech live streams. You could search it, and there's a link in the description below. Thank you all for tuning in. Please rate the video, comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.